In this video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of War Thunder. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All that you have to do is open up the game and here in the hangar, click on your player card. This will bring up a menu where if you are assigned into an account and you are able to log out of it, you will have the option to switch users over here at the bottom left corner of the screen. As you can see, I don't have that option because this is a new account that I'm running the game through Steam. If you do, this is what you're going to see as I'm showing you on screen. Click Switch User and confirm that you want to switch your accounts, and you will be immediately redirected to the login screen. In there, you will be able to use the credentials of the account that you are trying to sign into, or you can select Steam account if you wish to proceed with Steam. As long as you open up your player card and you select Switch User, you will be able to change accounts and log into War Thunder with a different account as you wish. You can do this process at any time with as many accounts as you have. As long as the servers are working properly and you input valid credentials, you will be able to log in with any account. I hope I was able to help you on how to log out of War Thunder. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.